Namaste everyone. Welcome to our day 1 of pranayama practice to pump some oxygen to your lungs and brain. In today's practice, we will do abdominal and full yogic breathing, which are super beginner friendly and can be done by all ages or body. These practices are simple yet effective practices which increase intake of prana or oxygen, boost lung capacity, and activate parasympathetic system, which help improve focus, relieve stress, promote better sleep, and support digestion while fostering deep relaxation and emotional balance. Hi, I'm Amit Namdev and I'm here to guide you in today's practice. So let's get a mat or sit on a couch or sofa and let's start. Sit in a comfortable position. You can also sit on the chair or sofa if sitting on the ground is not convenient. Then close your eyes and become aware of your breath. Become aware of your breath. See how the breathing process happens. How does it go in? The stomach rises. And how does it go out? Stomach falls. Simply become aware of this breathing process. Now, we will do abdominal breathing. To help you understand that you are doing correct way, let's bring your right hand onto the belly and begin to breathe in. Make sure your stomach expands, so you are breathing in your abdomen. Belly rises, and as you breathe out, belly falls. Belly goes inward. Breathe in, stomach rises. Breathe out, stomach falls. Breathe in, stomach rises. Breathe out, stomach falls. Now try to breathe in 4 and breathe out 6. Breathe in 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep doing this process of breathing for a few more rounds, increasing intake of prana, the vital energy. Then release and relax, and become aware how this breathing stills your mind and cut down the thoughts. Sit quietly for 15 seconds. Now we are doing full yogic breathing. To understand that you are doing it correct way, let's bring your right hand onto the abdomen and left hand onto your chest. Then, as you inhale, imagine and become aware that belly expands. Then continue to breathe into your chest. Chest expands. Then breathe out through your chest. Chest falls. And continue to breathe out completely through your abdomen. Abdomen falls. This is how we're going to do about 10 rounds of full yogic breathing. Breathe in, stomach rises. Continue, chest rises. Breathe out, chest falls, stomach falls. Breathe in, stomach rises, chest rises. Breathe out, chest falls, stomach falls. Continue this way of breathing for 10 more rounds. Breathe in, stomach rises, chest rises. Breathe out, chest falls, stomach falls. Breathe in, stomach rises, chest rises. Breathe out, chest falls, stomach falls. Breathe in, stomach rises, chest rises. Breathe out, chest falls, stomach falls. Now let's try to breathe on 6 and breathe out 8. Breathe in, stomach rises, chest rises. Breathe out, chest falls, stomach falls. Breathe in, stomach rises, chest rises. Breathe out, chest falls, stomach falls. Breathe in, stomach rises, chest rises. Breathe out, chest falls, stomach falls. Breathe in, stomach rises, chest rises. Breathe out, chest falls, stomach falls. Breathe in, stomach rises, chest rises. Breathe out, chest falls, stomach falls. 10 rounds. Then release and relax. At this point, you can simply keep your eyes closed and lay on the back. Feet apart, hands apart, palm facing upward the ceiling. And relax your body. Relax your body and let this prana heal your body by moving around and settling. Relax for at least 30 seconds. Our today's practice is completed.